Yes, I'll gladly show you how it fits all these different cans and this bottle too. So if you look here, we designed the inside with these internal indents, right? So that way, a normal can is going to stop, the bottle's going to slide a little further, and then the slim can is going to slide all the way through to the bottom. So we got a normal Coke can here, slide right in, but it stops, that way you have enough room to drink perfectly, okay? And then, like I said, bottles are actually a little taller, so we added another little indent, so that way it slides a little further. When you toss the lid on, it's super snug, it doesn't jiggle at all. But most people thought we were going to get tripped up with the slim can. They're like, okay, it's probably going to jiggle or it's not going to go down. And so, like I said, there's another lip. And it slides all the way to the bottom. And because it's a flexible silicone lid, you toss that on and there's literally no jiggle. It's snug as could be. And it's literally perfect for slim cans. So then what most people ask is, okay, well, what about cores? Because they're kind of funky, right? And yes, I'm going to be honest, they are funky. They're a little taller, but they're not quite as wide as normal cans. So you actually got to be a little aggressive with it to make it work. And you got to push down and twist. So like I said, it's not going to be perfect, but it still fits. And there's really not many brands that fit cores. So like I said, it's not perfect. It is a little tight, it's a little snug, but it still works. And then people are like, okay, that's great, but I really need 16-ounce cans to fit Bangs, IPAs, Monsters, stuff like that. And I'm like, okay, let's just make the whole thing an insert, take it out. Well, now, look at that. It just happens to be the perfect size for 16-ounce cans. So you toss that in, toss the lid on, just like the rest, and look at that. It fits perfectly for 16-ounce cans too. So that's exactly how it works, and that's exactly how we created the universal can cooler.